Hello guys, welcome to Small Business Channel, and today I'm gonna do a video about my mini sewing machine. My small business is called Beginning of the Path, and we sell scrunchies. This is the new collection coming up. So a lot of people have asked me about this mini sewing machine, where I got it, how do I sew it. It looked like a toy sewing machine. It does look like a toy sewing machine, but it's not. It's actually work. And I'm gonna tell you what it come with this sewing machine as well. So when I purchased this sewing machine, I purchased it from eBay. It's about $25 from what I remember, and it came with this thread, but I don't recommend you to use this thread because of the material is not nice. It's very easy. It's easily to break. So I reckon if you're in Australia, just buy the thread from Spotlight. And the paddle, this one for the power. You plug in the power point, and the measuring ruler, and this one as well. This one is for when you insert the thread to the needle into the sewing machine. I'm gonna show you later how to do it. So guys, I just gonna show you how to put the bobble pin into the sewing machine. So this is the mini sewing machine I got. So when it came, it does have a bobble pin attached to this one, but I take it out to show you how to put the bobble pin when you run out the thread on the bobble pin. So this is the bobble pin. You see the thread in there. You just pull it out like that. It just came loose like that, and then you just put the bobble pin inside this, and put like this, and just push it in. That's all. And you just put the thread through each hole. So hi guys, so I just gonna show you how I put into the each hole. So as you can see, I put through this hole. So it should be like this, through this hole, and then you touch it here, and then you got this last hole, and then you put it on here. And then this one is for the needle. If you want it up like this or down. So you want it up. You want the needle to be up like this, so you can put the thread through. This time you use the green stuff that I mentioned, which is this one. You put through the needle hole there. You put it like that, and then you pull the thread round, so you get the thread through the needle. And you put that underneath. And I just gonna show you how to do the bottom one. It's the bottom one. I have another bobble pin. This is the same bobble pin, even it's like 4 holes or many holes, the same thing. You just can get it from Spotlight. So what I do, some people they use just to put it like this. They thread it to the front, and then just close it, and then start sewing and the thread just came out by itself. But for me, I find it difficult sometimes, so my technique is I just turn it around so you guys can see. You see the little hole here. I'll put this green thing underneath, so you see it came out like this underneath right there, and then you put the thread through. So when you pull it, the thread come out. See, easy. How I sew my scrunchie. I cut my fabric to this side end, so you want to sew that first. I show you this closer. So you just put the fabric down, aligned it, and then you this thing at the back, you push it down. The I'm not sure what it is called. This go down, and you want to reposition your needle by using this. Reposition your needle down so it go down like this, and you just start sewing. And I forgot to tell you that each the paddle and for the power, it's actually connected on this side. So what you do, got, then like this, right? Then you put it the outside, so you put the inside together and you put the outside together. Basically you put the outside together, and then you aligned it, then you start sewing here, and by when it starts sewing, you start pulling from the bottom until you reach where you start. So this is what it should look like this, and you should be aligning. So you just start pulling out, you hold it the back, you start pulling out. So this one should come out, and then you start sewing, aligning, and then sew. The end like this, and then you start sewing until it's nearly, so you want it to be a little bit open, so you can turn the scrunchie inside out. And then you start to find the open there, and you want to turn this scrunchie inside out. So you got this scrunchie. So the elastic that I got is from Spotlight. It came actually in the pack, but I already opened it, so I couldn't show you guys. I wish I could show you guys. So you always double check with the thread, like, is it secure, something like that. It's secure, it's all good. And then you find the open. This is the open. Then you put what I use just my hand. I put my thumb in, and this is what I do until the end like this. Then I just start pulling. I hold the thread, the elastic inside on my other hand, and then put it. And then you wanna just measure around your wrist. Then you start tying. You always go with triple knot, not double knot, because double knot, whenever I do it, it's always break, so it's not good. So that's what I do. I tie it. I lined it like that, and then I start sewing this part to close off the opening. And you want to just cut the excess thread out. So you see the thread around it? So you got scrunchie. So this is the end of the video. I hope this is helpful for you, because a lot of people have asked me about how to use this, or because they want to begin their small business as a scrunchie small business as well, or they just use it for personal. So if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and see you next time.